HISENSE American fridge freezer. It's got like a long shallow dent on this right fridge door. Obviously there must have been some polystyrene and external packaging. Something's banged into it and it's just caused like a ripple, but it's very hard to see with this colour and it's very, very shallow. You have to get it at certain angles. So, yeah. And then there's a very small dent down the bottom left door. No scratches or anything to the front. Internally, I think from having a bang, this middle shelf had bounced around a bit and it had caused a scratch there. Yeah, all internally sealed still. Same in the freezer compartments. All the original accessories. And you'll see that small scratch on the left side. And again on the left side some shallow push marks almost, dents.